Name 10 lesbians.
Oh, could they be anybody or they have to be celebrities?
They have to be lesbians.
Denise.
It's Denise!
Here's a problem with lesbians. They're bisexual or if they're pan. Cara Delevingne. Kristen Stewart.
Chicon's coming back.
Kristen Stewart. Sarah Paulson. I hate her. She's a Zionist. Her girlfriend, who is
Sorry.
Holland Taylor. Of course, we can't forget Rosie O'Donnell.
6.
Or Cynthia Nixon. Oh my God, you know what? I have another one.
Who?
And I'm going to say it right now.
Say it.
This lesbian
No,
name
so you
is
got
Rachel Maddow. Rachel
7,
Maddow.
8.
Martina Navratilova.
That's 9.
Okay, and then her wife, Julia
Julia what?
Petrauskas.
That's correct.
It isn't, but...